When looking at replacing all of your teeth with implants, it's a pretty extensive process, or at least it used to be in the past. Take the teeth out, place the implants, take a denture, try to fit that to the implants. It was very extensive. It was long for the patient. It was long for myself. It was very labor intensive. And so by using digital technology to our advantage, we could literally use CAD/CAM technology to pre-plan where the implants are going to go, what the teeth are going to look like, and make this a process that we can do now in 2 hours that used to be 6 to 8 hours. One of the great benefits of utilizing digital dentistry and also fully guided surgery is that, one, implants are placed in the most perfect positions. So patients that come in with minimal bone, we can place these implants now in very predictable areas for long-term lasting results. Not only that, but they also get aesthetically the teeth that they've always wanted. So we can pre-plan this with the patient to know exactly what the teeth look like, the shape, the color, how things are going to fit. And then when the surgery happens very quickly and very precisely without any hiccups.